And 90% of English speakers make these mistakes without even realizing it. If you make even one of these, comment below. Let's fix them in this video. Mistake number 1, saying I am agree instead of I agree. Remember, agree is already a verb. You don't need am before it. Mistake number 2, saying discuss about the topic instead of discuss the topic. The word discuss already means talk about, so adding about is unnecessary. Mistake number 3, saying he don't know instead of he doesn't know. With he, she, or it, we always use doesn't, not don't. Mistake number 4, saying she explained me the topic instead of she explained the topic to me. The verb explain needs to before the person. Mistake number 5, saying I have 25 years old instead of I am 25 years old. In English, we use am with age, not have. Mistake number 6, saying can you explain me this instead of can you explain this to me? Just like before, explain always needs to before the person. Mistake number 7, saying I am living here since 5 years instead of I have been living here for 5 years. We use have been with since or for when talking about something that started in the past and is still continuing. Mistake number 8, saying where you are going instead of where are you going. In questions, the helping verb are comes right after the question word, not after you. Mistake number 9, saying I didn't went there instead of I didn't go there. Once you use didn't, the main verb goes back to its base form. No need for the past tense again. Mistake number 10, saying it depends on situation instead of it depends on the situation. Don't forget the article the before a specific noun like this. Mistake number 11, saying open the light instead of turn on the light. We use turn on or turn off for electronics, not open or close. Mistake number 12, saying I am boring instead of I am bored. Boring means something makes others feel bored. Bored means you feel that way yourself. Mistake number 13, saying I am having a car instead of I have a car. Have for possession doesn't need am before it in simple present. Mistake number 14, saying revert back to me instead of get back to me or simply revert to me. Revert already means go back, so adding back is repeating yourself. Mistake number 15, saying kindly do the needful instead of please take the necessary action. This phrase sounds very old-fashioned and isn't used in modern English. Mistake number 16, saying I am understanding instead of I understand. Understand is a state verb. We don't use it in continuous form. Mistake number 17, saying please share your good name instead of may I know your name? Good name isn't standard English. Just ask for their name directly. Mistake number 18, saying I am having doubt instead of I have a doubt or I'm confused about this. Again, have doesn't need am with it here. Mistake number 19, saying pass out from university instead of graduate from university. Pass out actually means to faint in English, not what you want to say. And finally, mistake number 20, saying I am not knowing instead of I don't know. Just like understand, know is a state verb. No continuous form needed. That's all 20 mistakes. Comment which one surprised you most, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe. See you in the next video.